All right, beauties, we had a request to do a shop my stash, but with a twist. I'm only going to be shopping my stash with enough products to make the most beautiful holiday glam look. So you'll definitely see the glam look in the next video. Thank y'all for your requests and your feedback, as always. So first up, for me personally, when I think of glam, I instantly think of a smoky eye, whether it's a black smoky eye or whatever color you choose to use, and then a little pop of glitter, glimmer, sparkle, shimmer, whatever the case may be. But with all that being said, I'm going to come over here to my little display, and I am going to grab, this is the very first thing that comes to mind, I am going to grab my ColourPop Blowin' Smoke palette. And as you can see, it has been used and abused and loved and adored. To me, this is like quintessential, beautiful, smoky eye holiday. So for sure, grabbing this. Next up, I'm gonna come over to the palettes. And normally I would do this in reverse and then kind of mix and match things. I think I wanna grab another palette that's maybe a little bit more smoky, a little bit more grunge. But I also, sorry if you hear the train, but I also wanna come in here and grab a glitter. Will I use it for sure? I don't know. This is old as heck though, but this is an old MAC glitter, but oh my gosh, do y'all see how beautiful this is? So I want to grab one more palette and then maybe a palette that offers a lot of shimmers, because I definitely want to have like choices from gold and silver. And then, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to go green. This might be an option. This is the Pat McGrath Labs, the Celestial Nirvana. Let's check this out. Oh, yes. Yes. I think this is going to be perfect as well. This could honestly offer me the shimmers that I'm looking for too. So let's keep going. I think I'm good here. And normally I kind of wait for something to just like speak to me and yell at me and scream at me. Let's see. Oh, maybe this for some shimmers. I don't really want to go duochrome, multichrome though. I really want it to be like super deep, dark, rich, smoky, and then a pop of like either silver or gold. So I don't know that this is going to offer me that. I could maybe pull it for the white. Oh, no. I already know what I want to do. Okay. I'm going to definitely find something else that's got gold and silver in it. But seeing the white in here definitely makes me want to grab my Fenty Diamond Bomb. So that is going to be a for sure. Let me see. Honestly, I feel like I'm okay just with those palettes. I have to remember I'm not doing a full-on shop my stash. I'm literally solely looking to create a bold, smoky eye. If I wanted to go a little softer, maybe I could go here. I actually think I'm okay with the palettes. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think I for sure just want to go super smoky. Maybe I'll pull the Spooked palette because the black and stuff in here is really nice. Okay, I feel like this could... Let me pull this too, just to be safe. And I feel like Trick could also be a beautiful, like, sparkly shade. So could this one right here. So I think I'm good as far as palettes go. We have 3 palettes now. Do we need that for one look? No, absolutely not. All right, moving on. All right, next up, I think I'm going to go to blushes. And for me, when I think of, you know, like a nighttime or a smoky or an ultra glam look, I feel like I want a punch of just like a deep berry. That'll be perfect. This is the Keys Soul Care Blush in the shade Sensual. And I think I'm just going to pick one blush. I think this is going to be absolutely stunning with the look. I am going to go up here in my everyday drawer. Y'all ignore this drawer, please. This is stuff that I'm working on, panning, things like that. I think I want to go ahead and pull this Too Faced lip injection if I go kind of the more neutral route, and maybe do like a lip liner and then super sparkly shimmery. So I would like to pull that. And then from here, I also wanted to pull my Westman Atelier contour stick. This is in the shade Biscuit. This is my all-time favorite contour, like ever. I will probably go a little more full coverage. I won't pull powder just yet, but I'm going to go a little bit more full coverage, which means I'm also going to grab some concealer. And y'all know I hardly ever use concealer. This is my Chart Tape. Nope. Tape. Chart. Oh my God. Tarte Shape Tape. Tape. Ultra Creamy. Oh my gosh. In light medium. Yes, light medium sand. Oh my gosh. And then because I want it to be everything a little bit more full coverage and stuff like that, I'll go with a little bit heavier red base. I'm also going to pull my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with niacinamide. I feel like that's it for in here, unless I do decide to come back and get some powder. And then for highlighter, I already knew, as I already said, I want to grab my Fenty Beauty. This is the Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats. I think I want to use this maybe on the eyes as well, and then as highlighter. And then for bronzer, I think I'm going to go ahead and grab my Charlotte Tilbury one. This is the Airbrush Bronzer in shade 2 or medium. Okay, so we have highlight, blush, bronzer, and contour. Let's look into, we need those shimmers. I need a good palette with gold and silver in it. All right, I decided to go ahead and pull this Clarity Cosmetics, the chocolate palette. It is the Chocolate Seduction palette because it has this like sparkly shade here. It has more of like a bronzy shade and then like a rose goldy shade and a gold. And then I feel like the silver in here and the shimmers in here, I feel like we're fine as far as that goes. Lips, I think I definitely want to pull a red. So I'm going to do the Gwen Stefani one, I think. Or the Huda Beauty one. Let me see. Or do I want to go with a standard lipstick? I'll pull a standard lipstick out. It's just a red lipstick. And then down here, I will pull out a couple of the lip liners. I will get both of my Huda Beauty ones. I have the shades Sandy Beige and Honey Beige. So I won't use a liner if I use the red. We'll just opt for like the pop of the red. And then if I go with the Too Faced product, then we'll do a lip liner and do that. I feel like I probably will do liner. I feel like a full glam moment deserves eyeliner. But, I think I'm just going to go with a classic black eyeliner. And then I may do lashes. I'll decide that kind of the day of. And then with brows, I'll kind of do my brows the exact same. And then I'll grab out a mascara. I like to layer. So I think I'll do my Sky High primer with the Benefit Fan Fest. And then if we decide to do some lashes, we can definitely do some lashes as well. And I'm going to come into my foundations, and the most kind of full or high coverage one that I have is probably my Fenty Beauty one. I may be able to use up the last little bit of this KVD. It is medium, so it's probably about a shade too deep for me for right now, but I can lighten it up if I need to, so I'll pull both of these as well. And then I have setting sprays. I think I'll go ahead and use the Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush Setting Spray. All right, so here's our lineup. That seems like an awful lot to create one look. But I do want to have options, but I did not want to pull too many things. Possibly the only change I will make is maybe a lip color. I may opt for something more like berry-ish versus the red. So when I do that video, I will definitely consider that, and I'll kind of try to get as close to this shade as I can. So we have a couple of foundations. We're definitely going to go more full coverage, more bold. We're going to highlight, we're going to contour, we're going to use some concealer. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit of a short and sweet one. Thank you guys again for all of your feedback. Thank you for your suggestions. I'm so excited to play with this. Y'all know I don't do glam looks very often, so I'm really excited about this. Comment down below. Let me know how often you wear a glam look, or are you more of a natural beauty? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.